Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows 10 build and signing in with an administrator account. This ensures permissions are available. Once done, run Windows Update and Restart to clear pending system changes that often hide the store. Next, open PowerShell as an admin so you can re-register the store package. This step repairs missing app links by restoring package registration. Make sure to keep the machine plugged in and avoid interrupting updates, because incomplete updates cause app components to disappear. You now re-register the store with PowerShell to restore missing package metadata. The command relinks the store app files to Windows. After re-registration, reset the store from settings to clear cache and local settings that block launch. If the store still fails, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health followed by sfc/scano. These repair corrupted system files that prevent the store from appearing. Make sure to restart after each major command, so changes take effect and dependencies reload properly. You finish by testing whether your profile caused the missing store. Create a new administrator account and sign in. If the store appears, migrate data rather than forcing system-level changes. If it's still missing, reinstall the Microsoft Store package or perform an in-place Windows repair to restore core components without wiping files. Make sure to verify store-related services like Windows Update and Store Install Service are running. If problems persist, a key troubleshooting tip: check Event Viewer for App X or package errors to pinpoint the underlying failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.